Welcome to High Format. This is our Pro Series video on Mid-Century. Mid-Century is a rectilinear slab with a salt-proof thermal finish. The large format and 1-inch thickness provide a clean, modern line in a pattern that's incredibly efficient to install. Mid-Century slabs are created using our proprietary material called TextureMat. Based on ultra high performance technology, TextureMat is revolutionizing the landscape industry through its ability to create ultra thin, large, and strong slabs that drastically increase installation efficiency. The Mid-Century pallet consists of 3 different sizes: a 2 foot by 3 foot, 3 foot by 3 foot, and 4 foot by 3 foot. The weights of each unit are 80, 120, and 160 pounds respectively. Each pallet contains 4 slabs of each size, totaling 108 square feet per pallet, weighing only 1,500 pounds. There are several helpful tools to bring with you during installation, including a landscape rake, shovels, levels, compaction device, diamond blade concrete saw, fabric, screed rails and bars, and a leveling device. For this large-scale product, we recommend using a minimum of 4 inches of clean, angular aggregate base, compacting in layers and topped with 1 inch of bedding sand. Of course, individual site conditions vary and may require different engineering according to ASTM standards. Once you level and screed your bedding sand, you're ready to start setting the slabs. Mid-Century has square edges, so you can create a joint size on your preference. We have easy to follow pattern layouts for ultra fast installation available as well. Make sure to pull slabs from multiple pallets and blend for a more natural aesthetic. Mid-Century is easy to install by hand. However, there are several great vacuum tools in the market that can make lifting and moving the slabs even easier. When lifting by hand, we do recommend wearing gloves as the edges may be sharp. When cutting Mid-Century, it's recommended to score the surface before cutting all the way through, as you would in a natural stone application. You can finish your patio by applying your preferred joint sand. Thank you for looking at Mid-Century. If you have further questions, please visit our website at highformat.com or contact your local sales representative.